Modern malware doesn't name itself virus.x anymore. It hide inside legitimate Windows processes disguised as system services. If you open your task manager, you'll see hundreds of them. But how do you know which one is real and which one is spying on you? Let's use AI to find out in 30 seconds. Open your command prompt as admin and type exactly this command. These will create a text file containing every single active process and its hidden subservices. Now open your favorite AI tool, upload the file, and give it the specific security prompt, which I'm going to share in the description of this video. In seconds, the AI reverse engineers the list. It filters out the safe Windows core files and flags anything unusual, telling you exactly if there are waived background processes. Hackers are smart. They can easily name a virus, giving it the name of a legitimate Windows file to treat your task manager. But there's one thing they cannot easily fake: the file path. Real Windows system files live in heavily protected folders. See Windows System 32. A malware cannot easily break into that folder to set up his own. Instead, it hides in easy folders like data or Temp. So if you see, for example, the service host file running from System 32, you know it's safe. But if you see it running from your user Temp folder, that's 100% a virus. In the first part of the video, we entered invisible processes. Now we're going to track down the impostor files hiding on your PC and their real program names. This time, type PowerShell in your Windows search bar and open it as admin. Type this command, which I would share in the description. These will generate a text file that will extract not just the process names, but their hidden execution paths and descriptions. Drag and drop the deep scan text file into your preferred AI and paste the new prompt, which I'm going to share with you in the description. And let's make the AI do a forensic analysis. It's right there. A malicious process is squeezed as a clean Windows file, completely neutralized. That's how you take back control of your system. And there it is. The AI filters through the noise and catches the impostor red-handed, hidden in plain sight, but now it's fully exposed. It's crazy how a simple file path can expose a hidden threat the standard antivirus might miss. Drop a comment below if your system was 100% clean or if you found some weird bloatware. And hit that follow button and stay safe out there.